Same, may Sharon yan pa.
Akala ko sa Pilipinas ang may Sharon.
Pati rin
Rin pala sa Singapore.
So I buy the...
Yeah, you can have a look at the model.
Nakatot. So guys, breakfast bago umalis. Si Ariel. So I'm here in Singapore Airport. Together Mentor Christopher Cruz.
Hello, we're here at
Sir Ariel.
airport.
No speak Tagalog, English only. So guys, magdi-dinner na kami, early dinner. Right, so ito yung namin sir.
Shumai. 1, 2, 3.
Soup. Soup. Ano ka? Soup. Soup na lang tayo.
Sir, I'm gonna bring this one also. This one is really This one. We are going to have two. Yes.
Sorry.
What's the best? What's the best seller? The best food?
Open shoes naman.
Nalilito kasi ako kung mag-roasted ba ako or ano, ito.
You can eat pork, right?
This one. No.
It serves with the chili oil.
Ano eh. Walang rice. Sa ano yan.
Merong sili. Soup na lang, soup. Soup. Soup.
Ikita daw so.
Okay, kami mga bigyan sa kami. Soup.
Yeah,
Soup. Also soup. Yeah, also soup. So, soup is very favorite.
yeah, that's my favorite.
So I'm gonna bring three soups for Shumai.
Soup. So, seafood.
For the main course, beef.
Rice?
I'm sorry.
Do you have extra beef?
I will bring rice. It is not served with the rice.
Rib of
Double
beef.
mashed potato.
Yeah.
tayo.
Magkakaroon siya ba ng rice? So you bring the rice, right?
I will bring them.
Rice. Rice. My mother is favorite rice. Other one, who's the beef?
This one here is small food.
Ulit yung dalawa.
Okay, how many shiromaru? Shiromaru.
What is your mother?
O, shiromaru daw.
What combination?
No shiromaru? One.
Ito daw si Ito daw yung may french fry.
This one?
What?
The shiromaru, the first one.
Shikamaru.
This is with the shrimp.
Tell me Tagalog and I translate.
And the roast fry.
Pwede pan sa'yo.
Roasted fry.
Guys, palaban tayo sa English. Please.
Medyo nagamit ko na yung baong ko sa English. Bagsakan na yung last day ngayon, so bagsakan tayo ng English.
Malupit po sa English to.
Yung main, small plate, portion.
Ayun, no, Sir Ariel, oh. Sir Ariel, oh. To serve.
Okay.
Oh.
This one is the best.
Na dessert, me, chocolate fudge sundae.
It comes with the
Oh,
rice.
chocolate.
I want the rice.
Ano to sa'yo?
Chicken shahi korma comes with the rice.
kayo?
Ito rin? Parehas kayo?
Kasama ko muna kasi soda ka. Kasama ako din. Bibili ako sa amin. Kasama ako din.
No one is having salmon?
What again?
Salmon.
Harap ko ba bigla ako makasama?
Yeah,
Only one.
Pwede naman.
One pasapi ako. Only one salmon.
One salmon.
Yeah. Dessert.
We get our dessert.
Mango chicken salad, no?
Yes. Ay, mango chicken salad. Two mango chicken salad.
for the dessert, the almond cake.
Me chocolate fudge
Orange
sundae.
almond
White
cake
chocolate bread pudding.
is the best.
For me.
Ano daw? Orange almond cake. Okay.
Dalawa ulit.
Two chocolate fudge sundae.
For both of us.
Ano yan? Ice cream?
Yes.
Same ice cream.
So 3 chocolate fudge. One for the...
Sino pa? Ice cream.
Oh, lahat na.
All ice cream.
All ice cream.
Except, no, everyone, I'm gonna bring ice cream for everyone because it's your choice. But I'm gonna bring this one also, ma'am.
The orange almond
Orange
cake.
almond.
Okay,
That's
okay.
fine, that's fine.
Thank you.
And for you, get the white chocolate.
Ano yung main dish ko? Ano yung main dish ko?
Ano yung pinili mo?
Kalimutan ko eh.
Mag-roast fried beef pa na lang.
Alright.
There we go.
Okay, kahit ano, busog. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Kaya may sobra naman. Para mabilis.
Guys, palaban na tayo sa English. Kaya po yung mga kasama nila. Kuhay mo na.
Kaya naalala naman.
Alalayo muna ako sa'yo. Tinan mo nangyari dito sa Kabibili ko lang ito. Mahal mo.
Nagpanlaw ka na lang na white.
Hindi na isasagot lang.
Yan po ang sobrang.
Manabili ko 3,000 ito.
Kita sa video. Video.
Ang galing na yun. Okay.
Ayun, natatago. Natakpan. Gawin na.
Alalayo muna ako sa ano. Tsaka sa
Yung pumunta dito, maliit kapag libas ng patabakan. Angeles,
sinukat ko sa Mega Mall pa. Pogi ako. Eh, ngayon parang yun.
Dapat pala no isando.
Maluwag na lang yan.
Michael Bong, kakakain mo ng roast
Kuya
beef.
ko, kasi picture. Isa, itago mo yan.
Lapisha.
official po sila. Shumai. Shumai. Shumai.
Totoong show.
Oo. Ay, sarili, no? Oo. Oh, di ba? Ginawa kami yung puting ano. Ito, ginawa nila sa leeg. Yan. So guys, tapos na po kami mag-lunch, ay dinner. Dinala na. Ayan po yung mga foods, dinala na lang. Sir, okay na. Busog na tayo.
Last night namin, today. So, napakasarap. Ang daming pagkain. Ikaw talagang susuko. Pero, sulit.
Mr. Chris, may charon yan pa. Maluwag
Ano
na
sa sa Pilipinas ang may Sharon.
Pati rin
After
ba?
yun pala sa Singapore. May Sharon. Sharon ito. At yung walang ganito sa Pilipinas Ang tawag nito, special pudding with icing.
Alright, sarap yan.
Electric plan eh.
Mamaya kakainin yan habang
Oo.
nagkukulitan.
Magpapababa lang ng kinain.
Alright. Ibo, sili. Oo. Solve na, solve. Sama yan, dyan ba tayo? Parang... Doon mentor sa dulo. Ayun po may kay Jerry. You know. Oh yes. Video to video. Sharon kay Jerry, may Sharon no. Saan? Ito.
Grabe talaga,
no?
Ang experience yan, bro. Masarap ba yan?
Selfie Metro Chris.
Tingnan nga natin kung masarap to.
Selfie tayo, selfie. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ay!
Yun.
Pandagdag mo yun, ganyan pandagdag din. Anong floor tayo? Okay, no? Up! So guys, nagkabababa kami ng kanahin, kakalasan namin mag-dinner. Ngayon pumunta kami sa shopping. Mamimili si Mentor Chris. Nang papasalubong niya daw ay ano, kay Coach Deb.
Bibili ako ng plastic bag.
Yun.
Mahalin.
Ay, silin ako. Ha? So, ano muna kami? Tingin-tingin kami. Bali, naghanap kami ng souvenir. Souvenir para pag-uwi ng Pinas. Plus. Ito yung tumagay. Magkano price nito? Check. Magkano? 36. 36.99. Yan ang dollar. 99. Ship. Okay, tama ito. Kabila po yun. Wala. Ang daming tao kasi last day na ngayon. So guys, ang daming tao ngayon dito sa shopping. Last day na kasi. Bukas uwi na. Alright, tingnan mo ito. Tatak na piyato mo. Wala. Hindi na pinapapili ko. Ayun ata, doon. Ito. Hindi, ano yan? Hindi, matamatay. Hindi, ito. Wala na napapili dito. Wala yung pinapabiling ano eh. Parang wala yung mabibili natin kanina, no? So guys, naliligaw kami. Hindi namin makita yung pinunta namin kanina. Yung mga painting, so The Art of Disney on Board. Yan. Ito. Metro Chris, wala ka niya, no? Dakyo, yun yung cruise. Yung ano ng cruise, oh. Oh, souvenir. Oh, meron pa dito. Dito yun, no? Dito. World Disney. Pasok tayo. Pasok tayo sa loob. Ito. Ayan, oh.
Take a selfie mo.
Selfie.
Oh, you want selfie?
Together, ma'am. Together. What do you country?
Sorry? She's China.
India.
India.
And Philippines.
Philippines.
So,
Take
hi.
a photo. What selfie on 1, 2, 3. And say hi.
Hi!
Alright, so. Kamusta?
Kamusta?
So I buy the
Yeah, you can have a look at the model.
no, Chris. It's good. No damage.
Just check the piece. If
What's
you
that?
think you need another one, I look at that.
Okay. What is your name?
Liz.
Liz. And you?
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
You do like that?
She was born on Wednesday.
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 Alright.
And today's Wednesday.
Today is
So, and
Wednesday.
today's Wednesday, yeah.
Hawak mo mentor. I-check lang ako.
What happened to
Philippines.
Wednesday?
She's from Philippines.
Philippines. No English, no English.
No English.
Because you are from the Philippines.
Wow!
Where you from? Saan ka sa Pilipinas?
From Paranaque City.
Wow.
Last time po.
Lapit lang.
Tatlong kembot lang.
Malapit lang
Pero
pala.
Antipolo. Antipolo ka naman.
That one is changed. I'll just fill the drawers.
Just keep it.
Go through this. We don't need this.
Gusto.
So, it's
Gusto kayo?
Ha?
Gawin ito. Gusto ko. Ganito. Parang may dumi-dumi dito.
Kasi hapon naman ito. Ang galing. Baka ano. Eh, baka sa plastic nila yan.
Plastic siguro. Nasa natin.
Oo.
And then, next verse.
Parang
Because they come on.
this?
yeah.
This? No, what
This one has a dirty.
Dirty or clean?
stain. Dito na lang tayo sa Tagalog.
Mami, onting ano siya?
Yes, guys.
Hindi parang may dumi.
May dumi.
Pakita natin.
Okay.
Ayun.
Check another one.
Try another one. Another stock.
Let's unbox all of it.
Ay, saan na ba ito?
Ano? In one, bibili tayo nito. Yeah. Pwede ba to, ma'am? Bibiliin ko to. Tapos papakita ko sa wife ko. Tapos pag gusto niya pala yung malaki, pwede kong papalitan ng malaki.
Pwede naman po, basta ngayon din.
Ngayong araw. Hanggang oras kayo?
10:30 po.
Okay, do you understand Tagalog?
No,
Please?
I don't know Tagalog. I know salamat, mabuti,
Maganda. Beautiful.
ang gabanda ho,
Ganda mo.
ang gabanda mo.
Ang ganda mo.
Ang ganda mo.
Mas gusto na malakas.
I know the ang ganda mo. Kamusta?
Basic. She'll teach me more, no? She'll teach me more.
And this one.
This was basic, girl.
Rebel, this one.
That one?
Rebel.
This is the other one.
Alright. China. Ay, India. India. India, check. I-check kung may mga ano. Bila. Okay, oh, good. Nice. Wala dumi. Alright, nice, pwede.
Is that fine?
Alright, thank you.
Okay?
Ano yan?
Okay, good siya. Malit lang yan.
Ito okay.
Okay lang yan, malit lang yan. Pentel pin na white lang. Alright, so...
A few minutes later.
So guys, pauwi na po kami. Ayan, nag-ayos ng aking beautiful wife.
Oh yeah.
Nag-ayos na ng mga saronian niya. Ay, saronian tuloy. Yung mga gamit pala. Saronian to yung sabi ko. So, ayan, makalat pa dito sa room. Inayos na. And tomorrow morning, alis namin. Kaya so, nag-prepare na kami para magligpit, mag-ayos. Kasi yung aming maleta kukunin ng 9 p.m. Alright, the time check. 8:40. May 20 minutes pa. Ayan. So, exciting. Talagang napakasayang travel ito. Grabe, iba yung experience sa travel na to. Ayan. So, relax. Sarap. Ayan. So, busy po si Rona. Mag-ayos ng mga Sharonian. Enjoy the travel. 4 days and 3 nights. Adventure. Sa Disney Cruise Adventure. Ayan. And ang dami namin nakasama mga iba't ibang lahi. Mga China, Indonesia, India, Malaysian. So, Philippines. Meron din Pilipino. Halo-halo. Kaya talagang sabi ko kakaibang experience to. Ayan. Talagang enjoy, relax. Para may kumakatukan. Para may kumakatok. Sige natin.
Bata yun.
Ay, bata. Ayan, isa. May kumakatok sa loob. So, parang may kumakatok sa loob ng room. Ay, sa labas. Ayan. Alright, so... Mamaya gagala-gala pa kami. Last day namin ngayon.
Ang tinago ko rin chinelas mo ah.
Sige.
Rubber ka nun.
Aking beautiful wife. Sexy, pretty, and talented. So, pinulog na kami.
Ikaw yung nag-ano na to?
Ha?
Ikaw yung nag-ano? Ice cream?
Nag?
Ice cream?
Umaya na, parang dami ko, parang busog pa ako.
Ang dami na kayo ngayon.
Hindi, sa may huling kaya din. Hindi nga namin naubos eh. Ngayon, nag-guess yun na yung masuka-suka daw, Chris, no? Ganda yung masuka-suka daw, Chris, no? Ganda, Chris. Yun talaga ikaw susuko, di ba? Ikaw susuko sa pagkain. Suko siya eh. Suko kanina eh. Oh.
Anong pizza? Nandun ang pizza. Tapos na kami, tapos na.
Natapos na yung ano mo.
Pwede mo. Oo, last.
Ay, yetik ano. Yun o. Nanonood po si Mentor Chris. Lakad-lakad.
Ha?
Lakad-lakad. Tara.
The next day.
So guys, breakfast bago umalis. Si Ariel. Ay, si Ariel. Mostly hanggang. Breakfast muna kami bago kami umalis para busog. Ayan, oh. Ayan yung background ng... Oh, ito. Ayan yung background, no? Ayan. Maguya! Oh, ayan pa dalawa, oh. Si Sergio sa kabila. Ayan, breakfast muna bago umalis. Ayan yung barko. Ayan yung barko. Ayan yung barko.
With luggage that have colors and characters that are appropriate with men. Kanye White disembarked the ship of this time via the gateway.
Paris. Ayan, Travis, oh. Guys, oh. Nakita yung ano ng Singapore. So guys, pauwi na kami guys. Pauwi na.
Family, keep moving forward.
So guys, hinahanap namin yung maleta namin. Han. Pauwi na po ng Pinas. Okay. Ipatungan na ako.
Yeah. So, when we arrive in the Philippines,
Going home na guys.
we start
Surgery gate.
so that we can qualify our travel next year.
Work hard and play hard.
Yes, work hard, play hard, and work smart. Yeah, work smart.
What kind of smart? What kind of smart is turning you?
Smart. Smart, specific, measurable, attainable.
Dapat daw ang goals mo is smart. Ang goals mo is smart. Specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time.
You know what is KISS? You know what is KISS? Keep it short and simple.
Very a little words, ha?
Hindi na tayo na-tour. Siya lang tinulog.
You know,
No, mga.
you tell to us when you go in the Philippines, we can accommodate you. Mentor Jerican is one of the millionaire in
Philippines.
So, she has a lot of he has a lot of
Properties.
properties there.
Own yacht.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is a guy is a chick boy.
Iba yung tiyap.
Chick boy. Maybe chick, maybe boy. Yeah, that's why chick boy.
Nagpesahan pa yun?
Oh, chick boy eh. Chick and boy, chicks and boy.
Dati, look.
One day I went to Thailand.
Thailand?
It's a guide like here.
Nasakulan sa ano, no?
Basto eh.
Ayan, go.
Bigyan mo na yan, bigyan mo.
Go, go.
Sasabihin mo, are you living your dreams or just living your life?
Scan this QR code and
yeah.
you know why, the why in the how.
Yes. Ba't nasagot na yung answer mo kasi sabi niya,
Yeah.
yung
Help
kanyang
daw eh.
problem is
Oh, you go to Philippines, then I will tell you what's the benefits of Sante International. What is the benefits of Sante Party? Because you are prioritize the health.
Health.
Yeah, actually, it's our barley is one of the it's a only vegetation on earth that is No, I'm just kidding. Our product is a only vegetation on earth that can supply nutritional support from birth to old age. Yeah.
But I give you a sample. This is
Yeah.
extravaganza.
When you use this, your
This is your
yeah, when you take this, your alaga is ting. Ganon. This that is coffee. With tongkat ali.
Tongkat ali.
Yeah.
Yan na kami,
It's this one is coming from made from New Zealand. Yeah,
This is the product you are selling.
That's the Robusta coffee.
This is the product you are selling.
You're telling what?
Are you selling this product?
No. This is
no,
for
it's
free. It's
free.
coming from our one of the top distributors.
Yeah, that's
The millionaire one, and then this one is
the
the this product is our flagship product. It's a juice
For health.
in sachet. You can take this before 30 minutes at least 30 minutes before your meal. And the benefits of this is antioxidant, yeah, strength, stamina, and energy. You can stir one in you can warm water, yeah, warm and cold. Don't use hot water.
Warm
Yeah,
water.
warm water.
One glass.
One glass one. And
This one is coffee.
This
Yeah,
sinabi
this
mo
one is
lang yung
coffee.
hot, that's hot coffee.
this is hot water for hot water, and this one is for warm and cold. I'm much prepared for cold water.
Interested siya sa thing eh.
Yeah, nothing. Interested.
Come here by 11:30 later. So they will that
11:30. Come back here.
yeah, because your flight is 2:30, right?
2:30, right?
So 3 hours before.
3 hours before.
You come and check in.
Yeah, okay, so 11:30 we go her to check
11
out
by
check
11.
in. So
Okay,
right now it's 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. If you want to go to Terminal 1, see the jewel, you can. The train free service.
Free
Everything
run.
Free train?
Yeah, everything free. Yeah, I paid already.
Alright. Tara na.
Picture mo tayo.
Hey, where's the rest?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Where are the rest? Are they coming?
Airport ng Singapore. Hello guys. Ayan. Lipat muna kami sa ibang ano.
Tagalog now.
Okay, speaking na rin. Pero kung kaya mo, speaking na rin to.
Oh my goodness!
Ha? Sa ibang ano? Ano na airport? Tayo sa kabila. Pasok na guys, pasok na. Kaya ba hindi ko na ito. So guys, ayun yun, kasala na. Hindi mo kasala na dyan. Ay, kabayan! Papamigay ano kay tour guide namin. Pupal. Ay, sige. Hindi, dito sa no? Ibang airport. Kuya, dito na ito. Ito na natin, no? So guys, coming in sa airport. Pwede na kita ito. Dito kayo guys, Kerry, bye. So guys, kasama ko si Mentor Mates dito sa Singapore. Guys, dati kasama ko lang sumabit sa gym.
Oo, ganun ang hawak namin sa ano. Hawakan.
Pero ngayon, nagtatravel sa Singapore na pasyal-pasyal muna kasi matagal pa tayo yung ano namin.
So guys, kasama kayo si Francis, Ali.
Kaya huwag naman kay Alice. Pwede tayo na kami. Alright. So I'm here in Singapore Airport together Mentor Christopher Cruz.
Hello, we're here at
Sir Ariel.
airport.
Don't speak Tagalog, English only. Ma'am Celine. Alright, so
We're finding something and we're gonna eat here. But yes, we're looking around.
we free lunch. We free lunch.
Yeah, like what Mentor said. He gave me a free lunch.
Free lunch. Sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit down.
Kaya nga eh.
Ay sa inyo, hinahanap ay may wifi. Bumati ko, bumati. Automatic ko, walang nag-drive po. Walang nag-drive po. Walang nag-drive po. Automatic gumagalaw. nakita nyo, walang nagpapaandar pero gumagalaw, di ba? Touchdown, Philippines. So, ito na. Kabalik na kami. Safe. Thank you, Lord. Safe. Flight safe. Ayan. So, back to reality. Kata uli. Para tamahan natin mga incentive Sunday. Ito yung mga partners, oh.
See